It's Kelsey from FitsRun, back with the runner's review for you. We're going to be taking a close look at the Hoka Kawana. This is something we've never really seen from Hoka before. This is a little bit more of a rubberized shoe. I would describe it as a little bit firmer feel than your traditional Hoka, Bondi, or Clifton. It's going to fit more in the category with the Clifton edge. However, it is going to be a little more training and gym work use rather than a running specific shoe. So not only can you get a nice little workout in for that run, but you're also going to be able to get some nice workouts in the gym while you're at it. This shoe comes in with the new CME VA midsole foam that we haven't yet seen from Hoka, and it has a nice swallowtail heel-like geometry that we haven't seen in previous models, as we've seen a little bit of a full rounded out heel. This one's going to be split down the middle with a little bit farther up on the right side. So what that's going to do for you as a runner or working out is when your foot comes down, it's going to be able to follow through with that early stage meta rocker and really go through that full walkthrough, help with that heel strike. If you look at the bottom, you'll see that they have a new engineered recycled rubber material up on the bottom, which is just a nice little fun fact, along with the fact that the shoe is 100% vegan. Of course, like all Hoka shoes recently, you'll see that nice little heel tab in the back for an easy slip-on to get ready to go for your run or your workout. The upper is going to be a nice, lightweight, flexible material, so it'll really form to your foot nicely. As most Hokas recently, you have that gusseted tongue, so if you're worried about that tongue sliding around while you run or do lateral movement when you're working out, you shouldn't have that issue. Like I said, it is a more responsive rubberized foam. However, this wouldn't be categorized as a stability shoe necessarily, so it'd still keep it for those neutral runners or a light workout, I would say. The Hoka Kawana, get it first at FitsRun. Make sure you check out all of our great products at fitsrun.com, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with all the new shoes releasing. One, that's their name. Hoka One. People think it's Hoka 1-1, it's Hoka One.